Saffron, the world's most expensive spice, has always been cultivated in traditional ways, but now, a revolutionary technique is transforming the saffron industry. Vertical saffron farming, a groundbreaking method, is changing the way saffron is grown. Unlike traditional saffron farming, which uses acres of land, vertical saffron farming maximizes space by growing saffron in vertical structures. These vertical structures are equipped with specialized lighting systems, providing the perfect amount of light for the saffron plants to thrive. The controlled environment allows for year-round production, ensuring a steady supply of this precious spice. Vertical saffron farming is not only efficient but also sustainable. By utilizing vertical space, it reduces land usage and water consumption, making it an environmentally friendly solution. And the benefits don't stop there. Vertical saffron farming also prevents soil erosion, minimizes the use of pesticide, and enhances crop uniformity. So, what does this mean for the future of saffron production? It means that we can cultivate saffron in urban areas, bringing the farming industry closer to consumers. The process is not only economical but also easily adaptable, making it suitable for both small-scale and large-scale operations. With vertical saffron farming, we have the power to revolutionize agriculture and ensure a sustainable future for our planet. So join us in embracing this cutting-edge technique and unlocking the true potential of saffron farming. Thanks for watching our video on vertical saffron farming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more innovative solutions in agriculture.